If Grammarly is showing an error code, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that you can try at home right now. We'll go through the most common solutions, starting with the quickest checks first and working our way up to the more complete fixes if the problem still isn't gone. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's fix it. The first thing you want to do is close Grammarly completely. Don't just minimize the app or close the browser tab. Make sure Grammarly is fully shut down. If you're using the desktop app, exit it completely. If you're using Grammarly in your browser, close every browser window and make sure the extension is no longer active for the moment. This step matters because sometimes an error code is caused by a temporary glitch and a full restart can clear that out right away. Next, restart your browser or restart your computer. If you're only using Grammarly inside a browser, reopen the browser after closing it fully. If the issue continues, go one step further and restart your entire computer. A restart can refresh background services, clear temporary memory issues, and give Grammarly a clean start. A lot of software errors are fixed by this one step alone, so it's always worth trying before moving on. Now, check your internet connection. Grammarly needs a stable connection to sync properly, verify your account, and load its services. If your Wi-Fi is weak, disconnected, or unstable, that can trigger an error code. Try opening another website to confirm that your connection is working. If possible, switch to a stronger network, reconnect to Wi-Fi, or reset your router. If Grammarly starts working after the connection improves, then the error was likely network related. After that, update Grammarly to the latest version. If you're using the desktop app, open Grammarly and check for updates in the settings or menu. If you're using the browser extension, go to your browser's extension management page and make sure Grammarly is fully updated. Older versions can sometimes break when the app or browser changes, so keeping Grammarly current is an important fix. Once the update is installed, restart the browser or app again and test it. If the error code still shows up, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted or conflict with Grammarly's login session. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History settings, and clear cached files and cookies. If you want to be extra careful, you can clear data for a specific time range first, then test Grammarly again. After clearing the cache and cookies, sign back into Grammarly and see if the error disappears. The next step is to disable other browser extensions temporarily. Sometimes another extension can interfere with Grammarly and cause it to stop loading correctly. This is especially common with ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or writing assistants that overlap with Grammarly. Open your browser's extensions page and turn off everything except Grammarly for now. Then reload your browser and test Grammarly again. If the error code goes away, you found a conflict, and you can re-enable your other extensions one at a time to see which one caused the issue. If none of those steps work, remove and reinstall Grammarly. For the desktop app, uninstall it completely from your computer. Then download the latest version from the official Grammarly website and install it again. If you're using the browser extension, remove it from your browser, then reinstall it from the browser's extension store. A fresh install can fix broken files, corrupted settings, or installation problems that normal troubleshooting can't reach. Once Grammarly is reinstalled, log in again and make sure your account reconnects properly. Finally, log in again and test it. Open the app or browser extension, sign into your Grammarly account, and try typing or pasting some text to confirm everything is working. At this stage, Grammarly should load normally without showing the error code. If it still doesn't work after all these steps, the issue may be tied to your account, browser version, or a temporary Grammarly service problem, and you may want to check for official support updates. And that's it. Those are the best steps to fix a Grammarly error code quickly and safely. Start with the simple fixes first, then move through the more advanced ones until the problem is gone. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.